Okay, good morning, students. Today we shall read chapter 6 from Honeydew. This is Jodie's Fawn. Before reading this chapter, we have to know very carefully there is something which we can do before when we suffer. Okay. Often instead of rushing to the doctor, means if you are suffering at your home, some kinds of precaution that you can take at your home. Okay. Like if you are suffering from the wound knee, okay, or a cut on your knee, a burn on your arm, a bee sting, so these kinds of things can happen with you. Okay. In this story, Jodie's father has been bitten by a rattlesnake. In this chapter you will read Jodie's father has been bitten by a rattlesnake snake, and he get rid from the poison, the venom. He killed the doe hair, okay, and take out heart and livers and bind on the wound, and he cured himself. Okay. So the question arises here, is it compulsory to kill the orphan animals for their own purpose? Okay. Jodie's wonder what will happen to the little fawn left without a mother, and Jodie was thinking the fawn, who is a doe's young one, is suffering from starvation. Okay. So he went out of the house to fetch him. He fetched him and tried to keep at his home like a friend. Okay. So read it and find out what had happened with Jodie's father. Okay. And what had happened with fawn. Okay. So see there, Jodie allowed his thought to drift back to the fawn. Miss Jodie, at that time when he was sitting in his room, okay, he was thinking the condition before, okay, the fawn. Okay. He could not keep it out of his mind, and it was not possible for him to get right from that incident. Okay. He had held it in his arm in his dream. Means he had happened the things in his arm, the things in his dream. Okay. Matlab every way he think about the situation. Okay. He slipped from the table and went to his father's beside. Means he was thinking on the wheel. He slipped where his father was sitting. Okay. Penny lay at rest. Penny, her mother, lay at rest. Okay. His eyes were open and clear. Means her mother's eyes were open and clear. Okay. But the pupils were still dark and dilated. But the pupils, but all the things which was showing there, it was still dark and enlarged, means big. Okay. Jodie said, "How are you feeling, Papa?" Means when Jodie slipped towards his father, he asked his father, "How you are feeling, father?" Okay. "Just fine," his father answered. "Just I am fine. All that has gone." Thieving means stealing. Thieving का दूसरा मीनिंग क्या होता है? स्टील, चुराना. Thieving elsewhere. Okay. But wasn't it a close save? Okay. Here his father is telling, means I am out of danger. Okay. and I was close safe. Close safe means I safe from a narrow escape. Okay, I agree. Then the son says to his father, I am agree with you. Penny said, mother said, I am proud of you, boy, the way you kept your head and did what was needed. Means I am proud of you, son. Okay, and by which you are keeping your mind, okay, to know the condition of the fawn, okay, whose mother had died before. Again, the boy said to his father, Pa, yes son. So his father answered, yes, yes son, what you are telling? Pa, do you recollect the does and the fawn? Miss, do you recollect the doe means female deer and the fawn? Miss, you can tell me about both doe and fawn. Okay, I can never forget them. The poor doe saved me. This certain means his father is telling, I cannot forget them. Means I cannot forget doe and fawn. The poor doe saved me, that certain. It is certain, it is true. The poor doe saved my life. Okay, Pa. So once again, boy is telling, Father, the fawn may be out there yet. It might be hungry and very scared. Miss, the fawn whose mother you killed for their own purpose, okay, he will be out of, okay, and he might be hungry and scared also from the other animals in the forest. Okay, so once again father is telling, I suppose so, means I know very well he was also suffering from these things. Okay, once again the boy is telling, Pa, I am a big boy now and do not need to drink milk. Miss, father, you know very well I am a grown up child. Okay, I no need to drink milk. Okay, why don't I go and see if I can find the fawn? Means I am grown, so it is important for me to go out and see where is the fawn. Okay, and bring it here. Okay, once again he tell, and bring it here. Okay, means I will go out in search for fawn, and I will bring the fawn here and raise it. Okay, raise means to take it. Okay, Penny lay quiet, staring at the ceiling. Penny, his mother was lying. Okay, quiet means his mother was very quiet. Okay, staring at the ceiling, staring towards the ceiling. Okay, boy, you have got me hammered. Hammer means caught in situation. Okay, means caught in a situation where one cannot say. Means, boy, you noticed us. It is not possible for everyone to think about the condition. Okay, boy, you have got me hammered, means caught in situation. It wouldn't take much to raise it, Pa. It will soon start eating leaves and scorn. Okay, so the father is telling here, it would take much to raise it. Raise means grow up. It will take too much time to grown up the fawn. Okay, then it will start eating leaves and scorns. Scorn means a kind of a nut. Okay, it means he was telling, if he will grow, then it is possible for him to eat straw, leaves and nuts. Okay, you are smarter than boys of your age. So father is telling here, you are more smarter than your age, boy. Okay, we took its mother and it wouldn't to be blamed. We took its mother Okay, we took its mother. Miss, the boy is telling, we took the fawn's mother and it wasn't to blame, so that the fawn could not blame us. Okay, surely it seems ungrateful to leave it to starve. So father is telling, sure son, it will be ungrateful if we leave starve the fawn. Okay, so I can say no to you. Okay, I never thought I had life to see another day. Okay, so the father is telling, you are very young one, and I know I do not want to see another days just like me. So father was very fearful. Okay, and he did not allow him to go out alone in search of the fawn. Okay, again the father is telling here, sorry, the boy Jody is telling here, can I ride back with Melville and see if I can find it? So the boy is telling, Melville is a horse name. Okay, so he is telling, I will go with Melville. Okay, and find out where is the fawn. Okay, tell your ma I shall you can go. So the father is telling, go and ask your mother if she will allow, then you can go. Okay, he sailed back to the table and sat down. Means he sailed back means he get off from the table. Okay, to the table and sat down. Okay, his mother was pouring coffee for everyone. When his mother was pouring coffee into the cup for everyone. Okay, he said, ma, pa said I can go bring back the fawn. Okay, he asked to his mother, father told me to go to fetch the fawn. Okay, she held the coffee pot in midway. When she held the coffee pots in the air, means for pouring the coffee. Okay, what fawn? She asked. What type of fawn you are talking about? Okay, the fawn belonging to the doe we kill. The fawn is the young one whose mother we killed. Okay, we use the doe's liver to draw out the poison and save pa. We use doe's liver and hearts to get right from the poisons of my father. Okay, she gasped. She took a breath. Okay, well, for pity's sake, miss, it is good. Okay, we have to pity on the innocent animal. Okay, pa say it would be ungrateful to leave it to starve. Father, pa means father said it is ungrateful if we'll leave the fawn starve. Okay, Dr. Wilson said, a person said, that's right, mom, nothing in the world comes quite free. Means nothing, means no any creature or things come, nothing in the world come quite free. Means nobody come here to free from the anything. Okay, the boy right and his daddy writes. The boy was telling right, his daddy was also telling right. Means everyone is related to many person. Okay, it means you can say the family close with their owns. Okay, Melville said, okay, he can ride back with me. Means Melville said to mother and father, he will ride with me. Okay, I shall help him to find it. And he told, I shall help Jody to find the fawn. Okay, she set down the pot helplessly. Miss Mother kept the pot helplessly. Well, if you shall give it your milk, okay, we have got nothing, okay, else to feed it. Means if you give your milk to drink fawn, we will not find anything to give you. Okay, Millville said, come on boy, we have got to get riding. So Millville called Jody, come on here, we shall ride on the horseback. Okay, Ma Baxter asked anxiously, you shall not be gone long. Ma Baxter is his father. Okay, asked anxiously, you shall not be gone long. So you don't go long in search of fawn. Okay, Jody said, okay, I shall be back before dinner for sure. Miss, he told his father, sure, we shall return before dinner. Okay, Millville mounted his horse and pulled Jody up behind him. So Millville mounted. Miss moved his horse, and he carried, or he jumped, he pulled Jody on the horse from behind him. Okay, he said to Millville, do you think the fawns is still there? Millville asked once again, do you know? Are you careful? Are you certain the fawn will be there? Now, will you help me find him? Can you help me? We shall find him if he is alive. How you know it is a he? Means the boy Jody said, if he is alive, then it will be possible for us to find it. Okay, the spots were all in a line. Here the boy is telling about the fawn. There are too much spots on the fawn's body. On a doe fawn, okay, passage, the spots are every which way. Every which way means in different direction. Okay, means the spots, okay, are in different direction on the body of fawn. It's so that the fawn is a male. Okay, so this first part you have read. Okay, so read this carefully and fill the workbook which I taught you. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.